If you want to make money in the market, then you need to listen to this. VectorVest has information that is vital to your financial success. Every day, VectorVest analyzes over 15,000 stocks based on value, safety, and timing, and makes very clear buy, sell, or hold recommendations.
I have made better than 42% on my stock investments. I don't think there's anything out there that really even comes close to what you can do with VectorVest.
If you're looking to make money in the market, then you need to go to VectorVest.com, the world's most powerful investment tool.
I'm a poor street kid from Brooklyn, New York, and I had only 2 nickels to rub together, and now I can retire if I wanted to.
It's easy. Go to VectorVest.com and analyze your stocks for free.
At this time, half of my picks are up in double digits, so I am very happy with this product.
Before you invest, check VectorVest.com/TV.